Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this icon. In Google Analytics report, any reports, you can find this icon. There are three icons available in Google Analytics 4. They all have their own meanings, so we will discuss about it. If you open any Google Analytics report, you can find this icon in the top right corner. So let's discuss about this. So these are the three icons. First icon means unsampled report, or we can say unsampled data. That means your data is 100% available. Second icon is in a triangle shape. It's a thresholding applied. That means data is maybe sensitive and Google intentionally don't want to show full data. So for example, in search queries data, in demographics data, age, gender, interest, that kind of data, you can see this icon. That means heavily sampled exploration. So this report is based on 8.88% of available data. So sometimes you can see a graph when you apply a long filter, or maybe you have lot of traffic, so much traffic. So in that case you can find this icon, and that means they use some sample data to make a graph or any report or percentage they can show, but they are not using fully data. So that's why you can see that kind of icon. So these are the three icons. If you click here, you can see some details about this icon. So let's see demographics data, where I hope where you can find some other kind of data. So in the user section you can see a demographics data. Here you can see some icon in the overview. Let's see. Mainly you will see in overview section, we call it card. So these are so many cards we have. So these are cards, a separate box, we call it card. And here you can see threshold icons in every card almost. These are the users, these are gender. So this is a demographics. Interest, this is also a demographics. So here you can see this is demographics. So if you will click it, it is not clickable most of the time. So I hope you understand what these three icons are and what their means. Hope you understand this. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.